Hello guys, welcome back with my new video. In this video, I am going to tell you how to fix a Snapchat support code C14A. So guys, if you have this type of error, something went wrong, please try again later. Support code C14A when you want to log in your account and facing this type of problem. So guys, easily you can fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you need to go back. And guys, after going to pack, first of all, you need to open your settings, and after this, click on Wi-Fi and make sure that your Wi-Fi is proper connected with your phone. And guys, if already connected, then you need to click on Wi-Fi and click on Forget. And guys, after doing this, you need to reconnect it again with your phone. And guys, if do not have Wi-Fi, then you need to open your mobile data. And guys, after connecting your phone with a high internet connection, then guys, you need to scroll down and you will find here app management, and guys you need to click on it, and after this you need to click on app list. And guys, here you need to find Snapchat. So guys, I am searching Snapchat, so guys simply you need to click on it, and after you need to click on storage and cache, and simply click on clear cache. And guys, after doing clear cache, you need to go back. And guys, the second method is you need to update your Snapchat. So guys, how can you update? Simply you need to open your Play Store, and guys, here you need to search Snapchat. And guys, after you need to click on Snapchat, and here is the option of update. So guys, you need to update your Snapchat from here. And guys, after doing this, your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fixed your problem and having this issue again and again, then guys simply you need to click on your Snapchat app. And guys, after this, click on switch account, and guys, here you need to click on forget your password. And guys, here you need to select one from both. So guys, if you have make your account with email, then guys you need to click on email, and if you have made your account with phone number, then guys simply you need to click on phone number. So guys, I have make my account with email, therefore I am clicking on it. And guys, after this, simply you need to wait for new page opening. And guys, after this page opening, then I'll tell you what you need to do. So guys, here you can see, here you need to put email address. So guys, here you can see I am putting my email address. So guys, after this, simply you need to click on submit. And guys, after submitting your email, then guys you need to open that Gmail account. So guys, after opening your Gmail account, you will find here a mail from Snapchat team. And guys, after opening that mail, you will find a link. Then guys, you need to click on that link, and after link, that link will shift you uh, password change tab. So guys, simply you need to change password from that link. And guys, after changing password, you need to go back. And guys, here you need to write your that Gmail address, and guys, here you need to write your updated password that you have created now. And guys, after this, simply you need to click on login, and after login, your account will be successfully logged in, and you will be able to open your Snapchat smoothly. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.